name is Robert Brown. I'm the father of Kendall, and we're super excited and appreciative of 98 Percentile and the entire program. For us, with the way this year has played out, and most of, well, not most, I dare say most students are in the virtual school space. And my daughter Morgan, for that matter, started back in mid to late spring up until this very time. Who knew that 98 percentile, in addition to giving them enrichment, scholastic enrichment, would also be a great training ground, a great preparer for virtual school. So I really do believe that the adjustment that all students have had to make as we've gotten into the fall semester of school has been easier for my two children, specifically Kendall in this moment, because of 98 percentile. And I can compare and contrast my two girls' experience, Kendall specifically, and her younger brother Trey, who started kindergarten for the first time this semester, but he didn't have a virtual experience such as 98 percentile to lean on to prepare him. So I can see the difference between how well they have adjusted and transitioned into this fall academic year versus my son. That begins with 98 percentile. Again, thank you so much. Kudos to you and your staff. God bless you.
Oh, well, thank you. It's amazing to have Kendall in class, and she's so positive and happy. So I'm so glad to hear that, and I think you're completely right. It helps out with all of the virtual learning now. So thank you for sharing that. We really appreciate it. Really appreciate it.